What starts as a routine removal from a restaurant quickly spirals into a full-blown police encounter. One shove, one fall, and suddenly everyone's story doesn't match the video. Was it force, or just chaos and intoxication colliding in real time? Let's break it down.
She was with grabbed her forcefully and then kind of gives her a shove at the end, and she falls right into our hose stand right here.
Paramedics are in there with her trying to get her off the floor. She's kind of not wanting to comply. We have the gentleman in the back kind of stable if you guys want to talk to him. We also have some...
Let me see that video again.
Yeah, for sure. And then we also have some witnesses that kind of saw the whole thing happen as well.
Here, you can...
Maybe she'll talk to you. I don't know.
You guys off?
Engine 15 on scene, 2001 hours.
I don't think he meant to push her that way. He was just trying to get her to move along.
This is what she's claiming, but I won't get.
Okay.
I can't get.
Okay. Yeah, I don't see.
I can get. She won't give me. She won't give me anything. Yeah, and she's been a little difficult. I mean, super nice, but she's being really difficult.
Yeah. It's almost like she just kind of.
Yeah, he's like, hey, let's just go, and then he just fell. She just fell.
Yeah.
So the only thing I got is his first name. She won't give me anything else.
Okay,
she refuses to give me anything else. She keeps saying that. So
Okay.
I'm trying to be as nice
So
as
she doesn't want to transport or anything with you all? Or she does?
We're not, yeah, we're like, not quite had the full conversation yet.
Yeah, that was not on purpose.
So maybe she'll talk to
I
you
can
guys.
clearly see that. All right. Where's he at?
he's in the back.
She just said she'll go with them.
Back in the kitchen area.
You all set, honey? Okay, you're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Where's he at?
Elizabeth. What happened, dear?
I got pushed. They all witnessed it by a plane.
Okay. So what happened? Tell me the story.
I got pushed by an employee here.
By an employee here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Who are you? Are you here with somebody?
No. These strangers.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm not asking them. I'm asking you.
I'm telling you, they all witnessed
Okay. So you don't want to tell me? Tell them what you know.
I said I got pushed. That's what I said.
We saw the video. Yeah. Okay. Were you asked to leave at some point, Elizabeth? No. Okay. Were you walking out when this happened? No. What were you doing? What happened?
I got pushed by an employee.
Okay. Have you had a little bit to drink today? No, nothing at all. It's not against the law. You're a grown adult.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm alright, how are you?
No, so I'm sure you know why we're here.
Your seatbelt on?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna be fair with you. They think that you just push her, and I saw the video. Hey, I saw the video. In my opinion, this is what happened. You guys, they told you guys to leave, and you were like, "Hey, all right, let's go." And then she just fell. I know. So I'm just trying to be straight with you.
Trust me, bro.
Yeah.
What do I need to do?
I
didn't do that.
No, you're good. So that's why I'm here to tell you that you're
So
good.
sweet to me because I'm real. I'm a real human. Like bro, this shit.
No. Hey, I saw the video. I saw the video. You're good. All right. In my opinion, that's what happened. You were like, "Hey, baby, let's go." I'm telling how she felt. Yeah, I saw that. All right. I didn't see you just push. I know. All right. I saw that. So let me go and talk to her.
What do you need from me? What's you need from me?
Give me a minute. Let me go talk to her. All right. Are you driving? Are you driving?
I'm epileptic. I'm handicapped.
Oh, okay.
I'm epileptic. I don't know.
Okay.
I have seizures. I'm epileptic.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, what's your name?
Otis.
Okay, Otis.
Is your body cam on?
Yes, ma'am.
I love that because I got shot by TBD on a ride along way before you ever worked here. So, like, be respectful to me on a lot of levels. And my ex-husband worked for TBD, so be a little bit kind.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you that they all witnessed it. So.
Okay, yeah, we saw the video. There's video in the restaurant.
Yeah, I have video too.
I'm trying to ask you.
I have video too.
Okay. So, yeah, but she said that an employee pushed her. And she has robbed.
That's clearly no evidence.
Ask if she wants to go to the hospital with us.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
So they saw it.
Okay, do you want to go to the hospital? Okay.
All right.
She was arguing with me. I was in the process of kicking her out.
And
he
then-
grabbed her to force her out, and she tripped over her feet.
I figured that's what I saw in the video.
Yeah.
He's like, let's go, and she just failed. So he's good.
Okay.
She's gotta go to the hospital or something because she's intoxicated.
I think they're high on crack or something. I don't know. Like, but
And he's handicapped for what he told me, so I don't think he can. He doesn't drive, so.
Elizabeth, what's your last name?
I'm not giving it to you.
Will you give it to them? You're going to need it when you get to the hospital.
What? It's fine.
So they need to know who they have in the ambulance
What's your
with
badge
them.
number?
771.
Are
They
you
need to
new,
know who they
right?
have. No. But they need to know who they have in the hospital.
771 extra new.
The badge numbers don't go in any order.
Oh, yeah, I promise you they do.
No.
Everybody I know is quick because they
Okay. Well, it'll be the hospital's fault. Unless, does the guy she was with, did he get her info for TFR? I'm a partner getting the info from her husband. So I'm a partner getting the info from her husband.
Unfortunately, they don't know each other.
Oh, they don't?
That's what they said.
Oh.
I like her sleeves.
Here, you gotta go this way.
Where's my wallet
go
and
this
my
way.
cash?
Did she have it? Where was she
her
sitting?
bag's right there.
This is hers. Okay. Little prosciutto. Shabbat?
It's $7,000.
Okay. Well, you should probably take that with you.
I don't think he's handicapped. So I don't think.
Alright, we gotta walk this way.
Go ahead.
Walk that way.
What's your badge number?
771.
771.
Yep, you wanna go this way.
Your eyebrows are really bad.
Oh, well, that's not nice.
So you don't know her? Okay. Yeah, he doesn't know her.
You good?
I'm fantastic, bro. I'm sick. Okay.
Okay. All right, man. You be safe, all right? Yeah. Have a good day, all right?
Hey, look, take it easy.
She'll be in the hospital probably. Oh. No, she doesn't. Oh. She said I have bad eyebrows.
I don't think that's fine.
She also said that TPD shot her in the foot on a ride-along.
Because the way you are, you know, you're a little drunk. I don't know why.
I existed.
That's not what you're saying.
Andy even told me, yeah, he was trying to defuse the situation and she tripped on her own.
Yeah, I was like, so, but what happened? She's like, I was pushed off, and I said, oh, okay, well, tell me what. It's like, were you asked to leave? No. Well, what were you doing when this happened? I was pushed. Okay, she just kept saying it over. I'm like, okay, it's like, I saw the video. I don't need, what was that? Have you been drinking? Yes, I heard it. Let's go. No, what did she stop doing? I don't want to big rant about that.
You think you can walk? Let me see you walk from here to my friend over there.
Never.
And you're gonna walk home all the way to Neptune?
I walked to Southampton, yes, sir.
Okay. So what are you gonna do about your fall that the employee pushed you? Are we leaving that alone, or what are you gonna do? Why are you taking pictures?
Because I can take pictures of every single sentence on one little, like, try me. I can walk.
I can't stop you. If you want to leave. I can't stop you if you want to leave.
Call your sergeant, corporal. Call everybody.
So listen,
Call everybody.
this is what we're gonna do. If you don't leave, you'll be going to jail for disorderly intoxication.
Okay, so have you ever got shot? Because I have on a TBD ride along. You haven't got shot. You haven't got shot. I have. So you want to try me? My ex is the worst for TBD. So you want to tell me that you can tell me for disorderly? All right, so let's leave. You either go with them or you start walking away. So how long have you been here?
So you're either going with Tampa Fire or you are walking away.
Wait, I asked for your sergeant or your corporal. No, I'm not going to jail. I asked for your sergeant or corporal.
Yeah, you guys are good.
You're good. So,
Got it. You can't go back because they don't want you up there. So
I like it's sweaty. Alright. Are you new?
Yep. Let's roll. You have a great night. And if contact activated.
man,
Wait, where's your
stay
sergeant?
away from me.
No, she's gonna leave really quick. I know. Of course.
Step away from the car.
I'm gonna go to Ruth. I'm gonna go to everybody.
You can go
know
to
that.
wherever you want, man. You want a case number? I give you a case number.
I'll give you a case number. Well, you don't think she's a dumb? Wait, you don't.
Get out of the street.
I can stand right here.
You can't. You're in the middle of the road.
No, I can't. Right, there's nobody. Are you new here?
No.
You don't live here. Yeah. You never lived here.
Okay.
You're not from here.
So let's get out of the street.
Try me.
What am I trying?
Tell me you can't stay here. Can't stay here? You're stupid. You're gonna go.
Are we gonna get out of the street or are we going to jail?
You're gonna go to jail? No, don't.
Alright,
Please stop.
Let go.
No, stop. Look.
I'm not playing around, alright?
Why would you do that?
I'm not playing around. I told you one time.
It sounds good.
You had so many opportunities. Nope.
My birthday, stop, please. My birthday, stop.
Let me go. This go out. This to go out.
Can I get that? Get out of my car.
Because I gotta fix her. Okay.
Can I give you every?
We have passed all opportunities at this point.
Do you want me to tell you? I just want,
It's not.
like,
Drop the bag off. It really doesn't matter.
so he does. He's a volunteer sergeant.
It really doesn't matter who your ex is.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
Wait to see what time you want to tell. The boys are tiny.
Not tiny.
I gave you every chance. Alright.
I'm not bad.
Well, now because you know you're in handcuffs.
All right, we're gonna come to the head of my car.
I cannot go to head. Let's go.
Nope. No more waiting.
Just,
No more waiting. Oh.
just do what she said.
I'll check her.
That's why I'm resisting.
Listen, let me see your face. Come here. Let me see your face. Look at me. Look at me. Let me see. Let me see your face.
No.
I don't see that. You touch your chin. I think it's me.
I swear it's my face.
Hold on. No.
No?
You're not doing the mouth either.
I hit my face on that.
Well, if you just listen,
I hit my face on the.
listen what she tells you and do so.
Good. Makeup? Alright. No, perfect. Let me get gloves real quick so we can search her. All vitals were good?
Alright, let's get in.
Yeah, let me throw gloves on real quick so we can search her when we get out.
Alright, let's stand
Check
up,
your
alright?
face is okay.
Alright, stand up. I'll help you out. Alright, you either help me out or then I'm just gonna.
No, I'm trying. I'm trying.
Let's go. Stand up.
It's trying.
Alright.
I'm assuming we're gonna listen, alright?
Of course. No, there's no criminals in
I
jail.
just hit my face on there.
It's all on video, ma'am, so you don't have to worry about it.
No, I'm not trying to hustle. I really did hit my face on it.
Okay, it's all on video, so.
Gotcha. Alright, let's go.
My face hurts.
Okay.
Okay.
We gotta get in the car. Alright, stop. We're not learning our lessons here. Things go easier when we do what we're told. Okay? Alright, have a seat.
So I have
Swing your legs in.
knees
Okay.
and
Get your legs in.
face.
Fantastic. We're gonna buckle up for safety, alright?
I'm sorry for the mess.
Not your fault.
You guys need us anymore?
Well, I think, what is y'all's engine number so I can say that y'all checked her out?
My friend, like, I don't know what happened. And I said, I will buy them a drink. Like, I didn't do anything wrong. I was trying to defuse the situation. Have I been drinking? Yes.
I know you have. I know you have.
So let me go home. Like, why, like...
I mean, for this one, there's no victim, right? Defiant, right?
I don't think so.
I just,
I don't think so. So just DI? Did you just do DI?
Yeah, this one intoxication and let's do the resist without just
Okay. That's what I'm
because
trying to little,
she was
alright.
pulling away or not listening.
Okay.
So, but let me do the narrative real quick.
Alright.
So you can
I'll go
start.
ahead. Yeah, start down there.
Yeah, she's not gonna be. I'll
Alrighty.
start timing in a minute. It's not.
You're good. No worries.
This is D2.
3.
Where's the bag?
In my trunk. Are you gonna look at it?
Yeah.
Look at my legs.
I saw your legs.
No, they're bleeding.
Yeah, they can give you a Band-Aid at jail, okay?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Can you not be condescending?
I'm not. I'm telling you they can give you a Band-Aid at jail.
It just makes you.
This case is a textbook example of how quickly a simple leave the premises situation can escalate into multiple legal angles: disorderly intoxication, resisting arrest, and conflicting eyewitness interpretations, all wrapped into one chaotic encounter. Let's start from the beginning. We see staff clearly describing two individuals who arrived intoxicated. That detail matters legally, because intoxication alone isn't necessarily a crime, but behavior while intoxicated absolutely can be. Once the situation escalates to disruption and non-compliance, law enforcement is often justified in stepping in under public disturbance and safety grounds. Now here's the key moment. The interaction where the woman is escorted or guided out, and the video reportedly shows her being grabbed and then falling into the host stand. One side frames it as forceful pushing, while witnesses and even officers reviewing footage interpret it differently, as a loss of balance during a guided exit. And this is where courtroom reality becomes critical. Perception versus evidence, because in many of these cases, what matters most is not just testimony, but what the video objectively shows. Officers in the scene repeatedly reference the footage, stating they saw the video and that it appears she tripped rather than being violently pushed. That distinction is everything when determining whether an employee committed assault or simply used reasonable force to remove someone from private property. Now let's talk about escalation. Once police arrive, we see a shift in behavior, non-compliance, refusal to provide details, conflicting statements about intoxication, and repeated resistance to instructions. This is where the charge of disorderly intoxication becomes relevant. In most jurisdictions, this applies when a person under the influence causes a disturbance in public or refuses lawful commands while impaired. Then comes the second charge, resisting arrest without violence. And this is important for viewers to understand. This doesn't require physical fighting. Even pulling away, refusing commands, or actively obstructing officers can qualify. That's why you hear repeated warnings like you have had multiple opportunities and you are going to jail if you don't comply. What's fascinating here is the contrast in narratives. On one side, the individual insists they were pushed and wronged. On the other side, multiple officers and witnesses describe a scenario where she was intoxicated, unsteady, and resisting basic instructions. And somewhere in the middle lies the truth the court ultimately has to decide on. Not emotion, not assumption, but evidence. There's also a psychological layer here that viewers often overlook. Intoxicated individuals frequently perceive force differently. A controlled escort can feel like a shove. A stumble can feel like being pushed. That's why video evidence becomes so powerful in cases like this. It removes the ambiguity of perception. By the end of the encounter, the outcome is clear. Charges are confirmed as disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest without violence. No assault determination against staff is sustained based on available evidence. So what do we take away from this? First, alcohol drastically alters both behavior and perception. Second, compliance during police encounters often determines whether a situation escalates or resolves peacefully. And third, video evidence is now one of the strongest deciding factors in modern legal disputes like this. Now, the bigger question for you. Do you think the initial employee action was reasonable crowd control, or did it cross a line that triggered everything that followed? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because cases like this rarely have a simple black and white answer. And if you found this breakdown insightful and want more real courtroom and body cam analysis just like this, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe so you don't miss the next case where one moment changes everything.